Hey guys, it's your girl MissShanncia and I'm back with another video. This is the Urban Exchange Project Try On Thrift Haul, y'all. They gave me this bag. They said pay $40 to fill it up in 45 minutes. Challenge accepted. Let's get it. Alright, so I had to start it off with these UGG pants, you guys. These are in a size small and they are so comfortable. I could not believe that I caught these, you guys. They are so soft. I am in love. Alright, boom. So number 2, we got these Lucky Brand shorts in a size 4. And I saw these and I was just like immediately yes. This is towards the end when I was just grabbing stuff. I didn't even look at the size. I just saw them. They look cute. I'm going on vacation. I made shorts. Put them in the bag. And you are enjoying the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Yes, okay, shorts. Alright y'all, so third item up, I got this signature 8 skirt in a size medium. It was the drawstring for me, child. Okay, this skirt is so cute. I like that it's distressed. I like the drawstring. Denim, so cute. Number 4, these Abercrombie and Fitch shorts in a size 2. I was not sure if this was going to fit me because my usual size is a 4. But we made it work, child. This was another one of those vacation grabs. Last minute, I saw it, didn't check the size, but it ended up working out. At number 5, we have these Vanilla Star shorts, size 5, super cute. So I sized up with these, but they were a perfect fit. They fit around my waist perfectly. I love the cinch of the waist and then the pockets in the front and the back. Number 6, this Guess leather skirt in a size small, you guys. This was the last thing I picked up and it was one of those things we made eye contact and it was love at first sight. You guys, look at this skirt. I cannot wait to wear this out. Like, it is just giving everything that it needs to give. It fits perfectly. I am in love. Yes. So this is just some inside detailing. I just also wanted to point out the fact that they were retailing this for $8.99, you guys. This Guess skirt was $8.99. $9 for this gem, okay? Number 7, this is a denim skirt from Lovetree in a size small. Don't wanna wait on it tonight, I wanna eat. Number 8, Nasty Gal pants, size small. These are like bell bottoms. I'm gonna show y'all the bottom. So back again, y'all have made it this far, and if you have not already subscribed, please do so. Turn on your post notifications so you can be notified every time I post a new video. More content coming soon, you guys. Please subscribe. It is greatly appreciated. Thank you. Number 9, we have these Elan shorts. I think that's how you pronounce this brand. I'm not familiar with it. These are in a size medium. Okay, so coming in at number 10, we have these American Eagle jeans in a size 4 long. And I just paired it with item number 11, this Vans shirt. I actually don't own anything Vans. I just saw this. It was one of those things. I saw it. It looked cute. I picked it up. I like the detailing of it on the back. And then it says their logo on the sleeve off the wall. At number 12, we have this North Face jacket. I could not believe that I saw this on the racks. Immediately, yes. I thought that this was a stain initially, and I used a toothbrush to clean it with some bleach, and it ended up making the logo pink, and it wasn't a stain. So the back one is gray, the front one is pink. Funny story. At number 13, we have this Rue 21 vest in a size medium. It's kind of like a puffer coat, but in vest form. I never really had anything like it, and I really like it. It's super cute. Subscribe if you have not already. You made it to this point. You guys are watching. You're enjoying. Like, comment, and subscribe, you guys. Thank you. At number 14, we have this Abercrombie and Fitch romper in a size small. At number 15, we have this American Eagle dress. It is strapless and it is in a size small. Number 16, I have the CICI BIRD top in a size small. You can see I have the drawstring, so you can make it tighter if you want it to accentuate your waist, or if you want to just wear it loose, you could just tie a loose bow. Second to last item at number 17, we have this Old Navy top. It's kind of like a knit sweater, but yeah, in top form. And I paired it with this little corset, you guys. I thought it looked super cute. It needed a little something, in my opinion. But if I didn't want to wear it, this is what it looks like by itself without the corset. You can see the detailing of the fabric. Last but not least, number 18, this Free People top, size small. This did not fit me for real, but I'm going to show you guys what it looks like because the style of it is so cute. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you've made it this far, once again, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more content. More videos coming soon, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I love you guys. Bye.